Hello guys, welcome back to learn this Flutter application development course. In the previous video, we added all these dependencies here, as you can see here. At present, we need all these dependencies. If in future we need another dependency, we will add here. And in the previous videos, we create this product page and we have created splash screen. In this video, we will create a welcome screen. And inside this welcome screen, we will add two buttons, one for login, one for register. If any user want to register, so he or she can click on register, or if any user want to log in, so he or she can click on login button. We will provide two buttons and we will add one background images in this welcome screen. So to create a welcome screen, we have to come here, right click on lib, new and .file and give name welcome screen. Now we have this welcome screen and let's import material dot and let's create one stateless widget and give name welcome screen. And here it's written container, but we have to wrap this container into one widget. The name is material. So click on this container here like this. You will see this bulb. Click here and wrap with widget. Here click this and write here material. This first one, material, like this. So inside this material we have this child and child is container. So we have to add image inside this container. So first of all we need one image. So I have one image in my folder, desktop folder here. You can download your own image if you like to add another image, or I will provide this image in description, no problem. So copy this image, come back to the Android Studio, right click on image and paste it here and click OK. Now let's add this image inside this container. So for that we have to write some properties, decoration, box decoration, image, decoration image, and then image, assets image. Now we have to target our folder. You can see here we have this asset. Inside this asset we have images. Inside images we have this logos.jpg. So let's target it, assets. Inside assets we have images, then we have logos.jpg. Now we want this image on full screen. So for that what we have to do, fit and box fit dot cover. Now let's test this app and it's working or not. Let's see. So run, click here on run and open screen. Just wait. Now we are on splash screen. Now we are, sorry guys, I have forgot to pass this welcome screen here in the main. We don't need at present this splash screen. So instead of this, directly let's pass welcome screen, so that directly we will be on welcome screen like this. Rerun the application, rerun. Let's see. And you can see here we have this welcome screen and this background image. So let's add two buttons here in the center. So for that, come back to welcome screen and here. Now here after this box decoration, let's write child center. So the button will be in center, open bracket. Now child column, and inside this column we have children, visits, and inside this visit we have one size box, and the size box width will be 80 and height will be let's give height to let's give height 300 and remove this width. We don't want width, it's auto. Now after this, let's create one size box more, size box, and put here comma. Inside this size box, width will be 60 and height will be 20, or let's say it 220, and this will be 40, like this. And inside this we have child and elevated button. Open it and then on press, and let's empty this, leave it empty. We will add another function here inside later on. And here child text, and right here login. And after this, style elevated button dot style form, and right primary colors dot give it a dot orange, deep orange. Now and let's style this text also here, this one, style text style, colors dot white. And then what we have to do, after this elevated button, after this size box, let's add one size box, and height will be 15. And then let's copy this size box here, this one, copy this, and after this size box paste it here and change this to registered, and change the color also, let's give gray 700, like this. Format your code, Control Alt plus Control and L, like this. So let's see how it's look. Rerun the app. And now you can see we have these two buttons here, one for login, one for registered. Now we have to give some margin on the top, it's not in center, so come here and here write 400, this size box, and Control S, and you can see these are in the center. So what will happen if any user will click on this login, so it will go to the login page, and if he not registered, so he will click on registered, or she will register on, and then we will show the registration form, another screen. So now what we have to do, we have to add one image of this app here below, above these buttons. So what we have to do, come back here. So now we have to add this image, logo before here above these two buttons we need one logo here of this app. So here we will add one logo. So for that, here come back and here after this size box which has 400 height, after this here let's add one image for this logo, image image.assets, and let's target folder assets. Inside this we have images folder and we have logo.png, and let's define the height. Width will be 200 and height will be 200. Let's rerun the application and see how it is look. Click here, rerun, and let's see. Now you can see we have this logo here, but it's coming below in the bottom because we have to decrease the height of this size box here, this one. So let's decrease it to 100, and here let's see, Control S, hot start, and you can see we have this in the center, this logo and these two buttons. So what will happen now, if somebody click here, so it will go login. If somebody click here, it will go to registered page. So let's pass the routes and let's see how it's work. Here, come back to the splash screen, and we have to pass here, instead of product page, we have to pass welcome screen, and then Mendo.dart. Instead of welcome screen directly, first we have to come on splash screen. After splash screen, we have to go welcome screen. So now what will happen? First of all, the application, when application will run in the first time, we will be on splash screen. After 4 seconds, it will go directly to the welcome screen, because already in the splash screen we have mentioned here. After this 4 seconds, we will be in welcome screen. So let's rerun application. Now we are on splash screen after 4 seconds. Now we are on our welcome screen. So thank you guys for this video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.